Hi there! Thanks for choosing Enosite.com for your website template needs. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to edit your template. Once your selected template has been installed successfully, you can view your selected template at the temporary URL, which has already been provided to you by email. Here are a few tips how to update your website. This video has been divided into different sections focusing on our key features. Some of our key features are Logo Manager, Page Management, Animated Slider, Page Management CMS, Service Management, Picture Gallery, Testimonials, Blog, News, and Social Links. You will need to sign into Enosite to update and/or edit any section. To do this, go to enosite.com and click on Sign In. This will take you to the dashboard page. Click on the menu icon to open the widget to update the section of your choosing. Here's how to update the Logo Manager. Click on the three lines on the top right corner. Under Template Designer, click on Logo Manager. This will bring you to a page that will allow you to edit the Logo Manager, company name, and the slogan. Edit your company name and slogan. This can be viewed instantly in real time. When you choose to edit your logo, you can upload any image and adjust the size to your liking. Click on Save Logo when you're happy with the image. Here's how to update the Page Manager. On your dashboard, under the CMS section, click on Page Management. Click on Add Page. Here you can add the name of the page and also edit the URL. Now you'll see the new page that you have just added under all the subheadings on your website. Here's how to update the animated slider. On the dashboard, under General Widgets, you'll find the tab for the animated slider. Once you've clicked that, click on Add Slide. Again, at this point, you can edit the title of the slide that you wish to add and also edit the description. You can also insert a link for an image. Here's how to update the Service Manager. Under General Widgets, click on Service Management. Then click on Service Listing and enter your service name. You're also able to insert a file at this point. Here's how to update the Picture Gallery. Under General Widgets, click on Picture Gallery. Then click on Add Carousel, Add Project Listing, and edit the title. Again, you are able to insert an image. How to update the Testimonials Manager. On the dashboard, under the Social section, click on Testimonials. Click on Add Testimonials. Here, you can copy and paste testimonials that have been sent to you by email or text message and insert them onto the page. How to update the Blog Manager. On the dashboard page, under the Social section, click on Blog. Click on Add New Post. For a basic post, edit the post title and enter the description in detail. Again, you're able to copy and paste text from an email or Word document. Here you can enter the publish date, and if you wish to post date it, it is possible to do that at this point. Select the category and click Save. For an advanced post, enter your description and edit the author. You can choose whether or not you wish to allow comments or to allow comments with moderation, and auto-generate the URL. Remember to click on Save. If you're ready to post, click on Publish, and if you change your mind and choose to remove that blog, simply click on the Unpublish button. How to update the News Manager. Under the Social section on your dashboard, click on News Management. Click on Add News Item, then edit the news title and the description. Set the publication date and click on Preview. If you're happy with the way it looks, click on Save. Then simply click on Publish and it's on your website. How to update the Social Link Manager. Social links include Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. On the dashboard, under the Social section, click on Social Links. Then click on Add Social Link. Under the Social Links listing, edit your social link name. Add the social link URL and upload the image. Remember to click Save and Close. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.